Exotics. We are here in Beverly Hills at GI Automotive. Why? Well, I DD'd the F12. Hi.
Good morning.
How are you? I was gonna put both screwed up V12s beside each other.
We're just gonna start collecting V12s for you?
Yeah, please.
All right.
There you go. Finally, a red key back to the channel.
How was the drive?
The drive was amazing. This car was built to be a GT car.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's built for that. I've done it 4 times that trip straight, no sleep.
Yeah.
In supercars. I've done it in the S55, I did it in the Type R. I've done it in the F12, the Huracan, the Mercy, 458, you name it. Winter, summer, whatever, straight 4 times. My record's 15 hours, 38 minutes in the Huracan, but I've never done it in the Hummer. That would be just not fun. Come on.
What, you got luggage?
Dude, it's a V12 Supra. I could put a body in there.
So stoked that you got an F12, man.
So this, how's it coming?
It's good. We're waiting for one more piece of Italy to come, and your crankshaft, which is getting machined and heat treated, should be in by the mid of end next week.
Little GI love, put it together?
Yeah, we'll have a party to put your engine back together and get it back on the road.
Yes. It's well overdue.
So listen, like someone's like backing in and out, making a 40-point turn.
Look at this, look at this. Dude, how sick do they look like the blues though together?
How about the Nikes? Look at that. Hell yeah. GD edition.
Let's do what we were talking about right now. Cut the cars in half? No. Let's peel off the top decals. The overly busy look. We didn't tell anybody we're gonna do this because I think to make it a little less busy and to change things without having to like rewrap anything, this is the goal right here. Bam! There's more to this that I think we need to do to change it up a little. The roof and the hood was enough for now.
I like the ghosting, that's cool.
It actually is really cool. It's so subtle. Like, look at that. I don't even know if the camera's picking it up, but I don't know if you're picking up what I'm throwing down. Anthony, you catch that? Nope, didn't catch it. GI Automotive specializes in what?
And same day brake service, oil changes, rad flushes, basically all the services you guys need because you're so hard on your cars.
Yes.
Right?
So if you guys want anything like that, come down, GI Automotive, drop the DDE name, book a service here, come get it done. You'll be super happy.
We'll give you guys 25% off.
Oh,
just
now we're throwing discounts around.
Yeah, let me know that Damon sent you guys. We'll take extra good care of you.
Notice he said Damon, not Dave. We just did 1,500 miles in the F12 and we got a few error lights going on the dash. So we have Ryan here assessing the damage that I've caused, or it's just a glitchy bunch of sensors because it's a finicky Ferrari, which is likely the issue.
It said I was overheating something.
Yeah.
I think it's a liar. Just
They're finicky.
code all that shit. I don't care.
I wish I could. First time the two V12s have been next to each other. This is a moment. By the way, that car is getting completely rewrapped. It'll be a surprise. This car is going in for a wrap. That's right, the F12 is booked. I have big plans for this car, but those plans will be executed over a couple of months because we're talking big plans, like wide body plans. Wow. Anthony, you did this.
My part-time job, cleaning your cars.
Holy crap. Holy, it's all clean. You got rid of all the dirt on the steering wheel. That's still broken.
Still a recliner.
That's still broken. We broke that in the jump. Oh, we've got a little bit of damage. Little bit of body damage right there. You know we're gonna do a color change on this.
Really? What color?
I'm not telling the audience. That'll be a surprise. We want to keep it looking like tough.
Yep.
Like Dave. Like the truck it is.
Yep.
Let's just say it's a supercar color.
Ooh, oh.
Like it's from,
okay.
It's a Lamborghini paint coat.
Oh, now what? Like Veridica?
Can you imagine?
I could actually.
Like a bright green Hummer. It's better than that. Ooh. It's more tough. Ooh. Think tough, like Dave. Restricted area, okay. Well, I'll stay out of the garage. I think that's my warning. You guys, meet Amber again. For all the new people, Amber is one of the owners here at GI Automotive. Easily a much more beautiful face than mine, or definitely Anthony's curly haired. You're making sure that the boys are under control?
Yeah, I try.
Behind every good man is a good woman.
I like that, absolutely.
Well, hey, I won't bug you. I know you're You're doing the things that like none of us want to do. My wife does all that for me. Shout out to my wife as well. This company would be like, would have nosedive like the first 12 months after I started it. All right, back to these ugly mugs. How are you doing, Casey Neistat? I mean, sorry, Ryan.
Okay, tough guy. You're gonna get in the MP4, leave this here for some love from GI.
Yep.
We have to go to VF. We have a date with Nick at VF.
When we come back, we'll have a little surprise for you guys with this in. One thing I love about McLaren is this. Check this out. So normally when you have paddle shifters, right is up, left is down. In a McLaren, you can shift with either paddle. So you can go forward for up or pull back for down, and on the opposite. So this would be up, but if you push it forward, watch. Dave's showing off, right? Second gear, push it forward, shifts down. So you can drive this car with one hand manually.
Let me explain to you the difference between the McLaren and a Lamborghini. The McLaren is like a nice cup of tea on a mild Sunday afternoon. Everything is calm and wild. Whereas the Lamborghini is like smashing a Red Bull. Watch. Jokes aside, the McLaren's very refined. The interior is very grown up, very mature. Whereas the Lamborghini is very immature, which really suits my personality because, let's be honest, I'm 36 years old, I have 2 kids, and well, like, you know, look at me. If you had to ask me which car is my favorite, gotta go Lamborghini, you guys. This is part of my soul now. Now, right now, Damon's far ahead. I had some work to do. I was on a business call running the company, which Damon doesn't worry about things like that.
I don't know how to drive. It sucks.
Who's that?
Whatever city you came from.
The guy in the Lambo?
How much do you want to bet right now that Damon's at the VF making fun of me for how slow I drive? Cue that scene.
And I have arrived. I think I even beat Dave here, to be honest. I don't know how that's possible. Look at this. We have lunch. Thanks, Nick.
Pleasure.
How have you been?
Doing good, thanks. How are you?
I'm amazing now that I have lunch. You know, I feel bad that Dave couldn't make it. He succumbed to the LA traffic.
Hey guys, last NA pull in the Squadra Corsa. This is it. Oh, there's a surgery center.
Hey, nice of you to join us. I'm in the middle of having lunch. Funny thing is this guy pulled up beside me in a truck and is like, the guy in the Lamborghini doesn't know how to drive. Oh, no.
What did I tell you guys? What did I just say on the freeway? Right now, Damon's there early talking.
I didn't say anything.
You're just talking
All the people in the cars were pulling up beside me talking.
It's always amazing the volume at which you eat food. I just watched it and I'm like, mathematically it makes no sense. Okay, let's go supercharge the Squadra.
Wow.
Hey!
To the toy store. Do you like chocolate?
I love chocolate.
Oh, come on, let's get some. It's like,
Just be friendly.
Just be friendly, then just take his chocolate, okay? Man offers you chocolate, you take the chocolate. Don't say no to him.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
yeah,
Thank you. So, Dave's car, how long does it take?
5 working days. 5 normal 8-hour days.
Yeah.
To do that.
So not DD working days.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. It's 40 hours, Damon. 5 times 8 is 40. We're here. No more NA.
No more. You ready for this?
You ready for
It's the
this?
best decision I've made in my whole life. Hold on. My wife watches channel. Right next to having my children and getting married. Best automotive decision I've ever made was coming to VF, getting my car supercharged. We got the car done, drove it all over the country, all types of conditions.
Really put it through the paces.
I'd say. So Dave's car
Yeah.
is gonna have how much power approximately?
The 5.2 V10, first generation of them in the Gallardo, which is 2009 to 2014,
Yeah.
comes with what, about 550 to 570 horsepower.
Yeah.
We're going to add 200 to 220.
Can we turn that down to about 100?
No, turn it up.
Have you seen his driving?
No.
No.
200 more horsepower.
Yeah.
in this already extremely violent platform.
It's very violent. Is it like the engine come out or anything?
We tip the motor to get the bracket at the front.
Motor tipping. Have you ever heard of cow tipping?
I have.
Is that the same thing as cow tipping?
Not the same.
No. The 5.2 engine tilts back on its rear engine mounts. We just loosen off the mounts, raise the front by about 8 inches, get the bracket in, lower it. But we've got to crack the oil and coolant lines.
Do I lose any storage space?
You'll lose about 6 inches of depth.
Oh, oh, Lamborghini, the one thing you really didn't do well is the storage in that car.
Dave's gonna lose 6 inches, so he'll be -3.
You would know.
Everything's made here in the United States.
It is, and that's one of our most important aspects of our business, made in California.
Oh, this state specifically.
It's specifically made in California, so almost everything from casting to machining to all the finishing, all the sheet metal work, everything, the polyurethane, all of the componentry made in California.
That's impressive. Something that caught my eye. You guys have your blower specifically powder coated to match.
Yes, exactly.
Like that wheel. It's matching, it's matching. It's all in the details. What is this?
It's a chrome exhaust bearing.
It's an exhaust bearing. Got him.
Is that not what it is?
It's an industry joke.
Oh, okay, cool.
Supercharger lid, the air intake manifold for the engine.
This is the prototype.
What?
Yeah, and then you get to this.
So from this, we go to a tool making company who will create a tool that parts can be poured out of molten aluminum into finished pieces for us.
That's crazy.
Yeah, all kinds of things going, all features integrated into this design, which, like, when combined, give us this product that we can bolt onto a Gallardo or a Huracan or an R8 anywhere in the world, and it's going to fit.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for a V8. This is for an R8?
It is.
How much power is this making that? Because that's 420, the stock R8.
Yeah, it adds
V8.
180.
Yeah.
So 600.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Should we get a manual R8 and do this to
I
it?
honestly love that car. It was so much fun. Aren't the door handles like impossible to open when it's wet?
Yes. Ah,
Oh, you got it.
not so impossible, is it?
First try, too.
Damon wanted to drive in the rain because he enjoys sliding around. See?
That's boring.
It violently grabs it back though, which can cause you to control. You guys know I love G-Wagons, right? Let's take it. I'm just gonna take it. You hit that car?
No, I think the car's too loud.
Okay.
Nice.
What's up, guys?
This thing's sick. This is a brand new one.
Yeah, it's
2019 G63.
2020.
2020?
This thing is badass. The heated seats.
I got your wife a G-Wagon. What? You want your wife a G-Wagon? I bought one. What's up, dude?
Where's Mania? Check the decal right there.
Yeah, so sick.
I love this color combo.
So sick, right?
It changes it so much, like compared to when you can see it white.
I think it's so insane.
That thing's nuts. Dave's so tall too, you're like 6'2".
Dave's just as big as me. Huge. Dude, tomorrow I get the tune off, get the new tune on. I cannot wait. She's all broke in. We got 716 miles on it. She's broke in and ready to go. I wish it wasn't wet out right now. So loud! Woo! Let her sing.
A lot of looks in this car. If you don't know what's going on, it looks like a race car.
My buddy was in his Bugatti Chiron with me. We were on Rodeo. People were like, he thought they were coming up to him, and he's like waving, and they walked right past him, right to me.
The picture when we talked to you guys on the airplane.
So when was this? August 21st, 2018. Damon and I had a few vodka sodas and we went live with you guys randomly on Instagram.
Yes.
And we made a commitment to you. And what was the commitment?
Going to the wedding.
Going to a wedding. Okay, we're gonna come to your wedding, and where do you live?
Anchorage, Alaska.
Anchorage, Alaska.
Well, we said we're going. We're going.
Damon, we're going to Alaska in February.
Okay.
You made a commitment.
Damn, I missed my Huracan.
Watch out behind you!
Oh!
I have saved your life.
Saved your life.
Now it belongs to me.
Hear that? Listen. Those G-Wagen sounds coming from Rodeo. That's how hard we are.
I'm so hard right now.